Hey guys, so as you see from the picture, the thumbnail, this is my first Beebeecraft unboxing. This is my first collaboration with them. Super hyped about it, and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm gonna leave the link in the description for all of the items. Also, if you want to order something, there is a code LauraR20 for 10% off of all of your purchase. Now let's see what we got here. So they come wrapped in bubble wrap, so that's very nice. Here are my items. Also, I'm from Romania. Some of my bidding buddies have from Romania have issues. Were asking about how to get stuff from Beebeecraft. Mine, I'm in the northern part of my country, so I can get them. They come through Hungary, so easily fixable. Now you get paper with your items, like a list of the items you get. Now let's see what we got. As I said, they come in bubbly paper. I'm gonna take them one by one and I'm gonna show it to you guys. And we got these beautiful rondelle. These are 4 millimeters. Let me just put these ones aside so we can take them one by one. This is the code. As I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. Look how shiny they are. Can't wait to work with them. Super nice. They're like blue turquoise, like the sea kind of color. Very pretty. Very pretty. So this is the code, but as I said, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Now for the next one, I've got 2 Miyuki beads, 2 Delica. They're so pretty. Let me just cut. I should have opened this before. I will just cut it and I'm gonna show you guys. I usually hold them in this box because it has see, you can just open and close them, so that's nice. Very nicely sealed. Look how pretty they are. Ooh, very pretty. Very pretty. This code is this one, but as I said, I'm going to be giving the link in the description. And this other one, let's just cut. Make sure when you cut that you don't, you see there's a line here. Make sure when you cut above that line, because that's the one that keeps it like you can open and close it. Let's just open this one as well. Ooh, nice, very nice bronze color. Very pretty. I already have drawn something that I'm gonna make with these. I'm gonna make some earrings, which are gonna be very pretty. For the next one, we have again a rondelle. These are 4 millimeter rondelle, like the other ones. Let's open and see how they look. All of these come in 10 strand. Like they're super cheap. That's why I like these. They're like super cheap. Oh my god, they're so nice. Like they're red, but they shine like fuchsia. Look how pretty they look. Look. Oh, nice. And they come in 10 strands. Like it's a lot. It's a lot. Like, and they're cheap and they're many. Like it's not. This is the code. It's not just one strand. You can buy them in 10 strands. Also, in some countries, these beads are pretty expensive, but on Beebeecraft, they're very nice, very nice price. And I have this 6 millimeters rondelle. This is a mixture. I love these. And as soon as I seen them, I was like, oh my god, I know what I want to make with this. Can't wait to make a necklace I'm gonna make with these. Again, they come in 10 strands, so they're many. But look at these colors. Like, aren't they just amazing? And they're so shiny and so pretty. Like, all of them are so nice and so shiny. Look, I'm just gonna put them. These are the rondelle. So these are 10 strands each. This is my my packaging. Just gonna move this. 10 strands each, and they look amazing. Like, let me just take this aside. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit on them so you see how pretty they are. Look at these, so shiny, shiny, shiny. Okay, so all of these, like, they were, as I said, the pricing on their site is very, very nice, very affordable. They come in with 10 strands. Also, they have many promotions, so you should check that out as well. And yeah, I'm gonna leave the link in the description for each of these. I love these. I love these. Oh my god, they're so pretty. They're so, so pretty. I am going to leave the link in the description for each and every one of them. This is 6 millimeter, and these are 4 by 3. And the Miyuki beads, the Delica. So I'm gonna leave a link in the description for each of them. Also, the code LauraR20 for 10% off on your whole order. So yeah, have fun shopping and happy beading.